Hello everyone, as you can see this one Redmi Note 8 Pro. The phone looks quite new, but recently we got some issue with the battery. So what are you going to do? I'm going to show you how to replace the battery. This is quite simple and a standard procedure. First I got the replacement, the actual battery, and lots of tools here include the double-sided tape and scissor plus the SIM ejector tools. So this one, it would help us to open up the screws, tweezer, and then flat opening tool and plastic card, and obviously the hair dryer. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to blow some hot air so it does melt the actual adhesive. So let's start. So it seems it's hot enough. First we're going to take this metal tip and try to make a gap in between the frame and the back cover. Okay. It's very easy to get scratches, but very careful. Take this plastic card, put it inside and go around. Alright, okay. Alright, so now what are you going to do? We already opened the back cover. This part must need to taken out due to get to the actual connector for this battery. Okay, first we need to take out all the screws from this panel. We don't need to touch it. Let's do that. One, two. First, peel this out and take this out. That's the actual frame. Disconnect the battery. We're gonna try our new battery first. Turning on. Alright, so it seems it was the battery issue, because once we change it, that is working. I want to double check with the charging. Yeah, charging also fine. So it seems the issue was the actual battery. Disconnect it again, and now we'll taken out this old one. Spudger it. Wow. They improve a lot. It's not like Samsung or other phone, or like Huawei. This is completely different, like iPhone. I believe in that way the battery doesn't get damaged. Like bubble gum. This side is clear, Now let's check out that side. Done. That's the actual battery. This is the new one. We need to add some double-sided adhesive. I'm going to tell you why I keep some extra bits. First, let's connect the connector so we get an idea like how far it goes, you know. Good. Fine. Now we're going to put this tape on the top, so in that way next time when you're going to take it out, it's going to be super easy because we can roll it up. That's fine. Connect this connector. Good. That is the actual part. Good. Don't tighten the screw too much because in that way the motherboard get a lot of pressure, becomes very upset. So make sure you just put it on the place. Okay. Good. So now the back cover is into the place. It seems everything is normal, so we're going to turn it on and try to recharge it just to see the battery is working or not. So I'm going to press the power button to turn it on. It's turning on. So the battery shows 61%, which is great, and it's fine. Anyway, I want to check the battery takes any charge or not. So I'm going to connect the charger. Yep. As you can see, it's charging completely, so the battery is fine. So that's how you replace the battery for Redmi Note 8 Pro. Still, if you do have any question, I'm more than happy to answer it. Make sure you leave it in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting me by subscribing my channel. I hope I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.